Have you ever missed out on opportunities before and said to yourself, I should have known? Well, I sure did. Back in 2007, when I bought my first home, I had no idea what I was doing or how the market was doing. All I knew was that 2 years before that, my parents took out an adjustable mortgage rate that ballooned in 2007, which almost doubled their mortgage payment. So, the very first lesson that I learned from taking out a mortgage is to make sure that it's a fixed rate and that it is well within my budget. Then 5 years later in 2012, house prices were cut in half. That was the worst time to sell and the best time to buy, but I didn't know that because I didn't know anything about investing. I ended up selling my home at a loss, but I somewhat got lucky and ended up buying another house about the same time with my husband. I also didn't know that the stock market was down during that time, and I was only contributing the minimum amount that was set as a default when I started working in 2009. I missed out on some great investment opportunities just because I didn't recognize them as rare opportunities for investors. I also fell for some of the worst financial advices like owning a timeshare, which I thought was an investment at the time. It wasn't until 2014 when I started my financial education, and the learning curve was steep because I didn't have anyone to guide me. And that's why I'm here to teach. I want to help you save time learning the basics of investing. I also want to save you from making unnecessary mistakes that most rookie investors make. I want to help you recognize those rare opportunities that great investors are waiting for so that you can take advantage of them too and not miss out just because you didn't know any better. They were not kidding when they said knowledge is power, power to make money and make your money work for you. Start your financial education today. Learn about the best investing tool in the stock market at www.optionwits.com.